Discovering digital footprints, uncovering social media profiles.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're delving into a question that pops up quite often. Can I use any specific keywords or attributes to find someone's social media profiles when I don't know their name? It's not always an easy task, but there are a few strategies you might employ to get closer to your goal. Please note, respecting privacy is paramount. Use this information responsibly, and do not invade anyone's privacy.
What details do you have?
Firstly, let's identify the details you have at your disposal. Even if you don't know the person's name, there may be other identifiable information you can use, such as 1. Email address. Many people use the same email address across multiple social media platforms. 2. Phone number. This could potentially help in finding a person's social media accounts. 3. Photographs. An image search might help you track down a social media account. 4. Usernames from other platforms. People often use the same or similar usernames across various platforms. 5. Workplace or school. LinkedIn and Facebook, for instance, allow you to search for people based on their workplace or school. 6. Location. Geographical information can be a useful tool to narrow down the search.
How to use this information?
Once you have some of these details, you can use them in different ways to try and find someone's social media profiles. 1. Email and phone number searches. Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn allow you to search by email or phone number. However, it depends on the user's privacy settings whether their profile can be found this way. 2. Image search. Using Google's reverse image search feature, you can upload a photo and see where else it appears online. 3. Username search. You can use the username from one platform to find accounts on others. Tools like Knowem can be helpful for this. 4. Workplace, school, or location searches. LinkedIn and Facebook have extensive search capabilities that can be narrowed down by location, workplace, or school.
The limits and ethical considerations.
While it's possible to find a person's social media profiles using the methods above, it's important to recognize the limitations and ethical boundaries of such searches. 1. Privacy settings. A user's privacy settings may prevent you from finding their profile using the methods mentioned. Social media platforms are designed to protect their users' privacy. 2. Accuracy. Even if you find a profile that seems to match your search, be cautious. It's not always guaranteed to be the person you're looking for. 3. Ethical considerations. It's essential to respect people's privacy. These strategies should only be used for legitimate purposes, like reconnecting with an old friend or finding a professional contact. To sum up, it's indeed possible to find someone's social media profiles even if you don't know their name, using various pieces of information and search methods. However, remember that the goal should never be to invade someone's privacy. These strategies should be employed with respect and good intentions. Hope this information has been helpful to you. Stay safe online and respect the digital space of others. Thanks for watching.